Konza Technopolis is gearing towards increasing access to technology, innovation and development. Now, during a tour of the Techno City, Information Communication and Technology CS Elidowalo noted the importance of technology to facilitate access and repayment of funds. According to the CS, there is need to manufacture cheap but IT-enabled devices to improve ICT penetration in Kenya.
As we launch the Hustler Fund, we will be leveraging on technology. We want to use technology not just in the disbursement of the Hustler Fund, but we are also leveraging on technology to facilitate repayment of the funds, access of the funds, and also repayment of the same. For us to effectively roll out the Hustler Fund, we need cheap but adequately IT-enabled devices. We see Konza, by way of innovation, being an integral player in the manufacture of handsets, which can cheaply be accessed by the hustlers.
We have in phase one almost 150 parcels of land available for development. We have received interest over 80% with strong commitments for various kinds of development, residential developments, office blocks, mixed use, and the most important one, manufacturing. That now we have investors who we are processing, completing their designs approval to set up their manufacturing facilities.